Today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO 4-piece nail punch and center punch set. So I really like that knurled grip on there. And we can even see they actually mark these down with the sizes of the tips. So we got a 1/32, 1/16, 3/32, and the 1/8 is our center punch. So you can see how on the nail setting punches they got that cup. You can make sure it stays on top of that nail so it doesn't slip off. And the center punch has a nice tip on it. I do appreciate that they actually have a hex head on there so you can grab that with a tool. That way in the event that you miss, you're not going to be striking your fingers. And we got a nice flat striking surface on there. So here I got a piece of wood. It's got some brad nails sticking out of it. And when you put that on there, it is fully cupped so you can actually feel when it's on there. So there's no real second guessing. There we go. Now I could just use our hammer and smack that in, but you can see there is a real risk of damaging the face of the wood, putting a big round dent on there. So that's why using a nail setting punch is usually recommended. Then for the center punch, because that is just a point, you can put that wherever you want. And that will make a nice little indent in there. That way when you drill, you're going to be able to start exactly where you want. You don't have to worry about that drill wandering off. So that is a very nice set of punches.